See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Fine. Federal Airport Authorities of Nigeria, you have 24 hours to apologize to Nigerians for coming out to lie and cause panic. Very disturbing post that you people made. You people came out to lie to Nigerians that you arrested 4 suspected bandits at the perimeter of the airport. Now Nigerian police have come out debunking that you people lied. Nigerian police don't debunk them. You claim that those 4 bandits, you people arrested them with joint task force with the police. You said the police was there, the Air Force was there, Amotekun was there, local vigilante was there, everybody. Now police don't say a lie. This is the press release on the police. Ondo State Police Command press release. Ondo State Police debunk reports of bandit arrests at Akure Airport. The Ondo State Police Command wishes to categorically refute the misleading reports currently circulating across social media platforms, alleging that 4 bandits were arrested at the Akure Airport. For the avoidance of doubt, the command wishes to state clearly that no such incident occurred at the Akure Airport, and there was no security breach of any kind at the facility. Remember, I said it in the last video I posted.
And tell me what you think in the comment section.
On the other hand, when I read down,
see what this person said.
It's looking like you people are trying to get budget for perimeter fence.
Just listen to what he said about this.
It looks like you people just want to collect money to do fence. So now one just do fence. Maybe when they look for a way to present them to federal government so that now collect money do fence.
What do you think?
Yeah, that's another thing I noticed from reading it.
Tell me what you think in the comment section.
That's one thing I noticed. Let me read that part.
The
incident further highlights the importance of strengthening airport perimeter protection. Consequently, the federal government, through the Federal Ministry of Aviation and Aerospace Development, with the support of the presidency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has accelerated the provision of modern perimeter fencing and enhanced security.
What he said about this. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Where's the picture of the suspect?
See what this person said about this issue. What do you think?
Normally, the way, like I said, I don't just digest news the way everybody digests news.
Tell me what you think.
I will chat, I go check all the bugs, whether it makes sense to me.
See what this person said about this issue.
If something like this happens,
what do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about those boys. And tell me what you think.
In short, now people were arrested. All those are Amotekun. Some of them supposed to go full. They say Amotekun days. Motibe, what you move? I want to eat. What bomb airport? What play law? Come on, man. I'm not seeing no videos like that or no pictures like that.
What this person
for a joint operation where concerned vigilante, tax force, and all these people.
Just listen to what he said.
I feel like somebody is trying to just cook up story in order to get budget. You know, and just create panic. Then towards the end,
see what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about
the traveling public that the airport host community of its unwavering commitment to maintaining the safety.
See what this person said about this issue.
I feel like this is another skill against
just listen to what he said about this. Tell me
because this airport they don't do like that since. It is a good thing if we have fence in the airport. Because we the travel abroad, they see their perimeter fence. I talk about. I said these people, this thing look to me like something where they say they just make up.
What you think in the comments.
These people took out. They won't use advantage of the insecurity where they go on for this country. Use and take bad budgets.
What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this.
You put a lot of Nigerians to panic. So it's a very disturbing thing. People go to fear to go airport. In 24 hours we deserve an apology. Else we go sue. I will sue now. Me, I will sue now.
Just listen to what he said about this and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Rubbish. You see the kind of country where we did. I said if you investigate a lot of all these stories about bandits and kidnapping, the day when they'll start to investigate all these things, you go find out say some police they follow do this kidnapping, and they do kidnapping, TSS they do it, NSA. You go find out say a lot of these people might be involved in all of this. And they tell you all these things.
What do you think? What do you think?
Above all things, I will advise you Nigerians that you should always digest the news. Don't just go one-way traffic. I checked Twitter. They were saying bandits hijacked plane. How did you people twist what fan posted? What did fan post? They different. Say they catch me for perimeter, suspended bandits, perimeter of the airport, meaning defense of the airport. Twitter people say bandits.
What this person said about this issue.
Come on. I know a lot of you will click bait and all
listen to what he said about
serious panic for people.
Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Fan, we deserve an apology. Not just that. Whoever made that post, whoever did that press release should be arrested.
Just listen to what he said about
should be arrested. For false information. It's a crime. It's a crime. We should be arrested for false information.
What this person said about
and for creating panic. And I see it as an intent to chop our government money
Tell
All
me
of them
what
are
you
the same
think
thing
in
at
the
the end of
comment
the day.
section.
Why am I even talking as if the government are sent where they won't take their money?
See
Look,
what
now
this
one
person
WhatsApp
said
group,
about this issue.
we deserve an
What
apology.
you think? What
You
you
know when I
think?
tell you people
Just
something,
listen to
I
what
say
he
we
said
are
about
spiritual
this
people, we
issue.
see beyond.
Tell me what you think in the comment section.
If now one pastor do this thing now, I'll in church.
See what
For this
this
bishop
person
was,
said
you want to
about
send money to
this
the
issue.
angel account as
What do
offering.
you think? What do you think?
Sharp,
Just listen to what he said about this issue.
200 naira,
Tell me what you
200,
think in the
200,
comment
200, 200. Any bishop was in
See
Nigeria,
what
send
this
money
person
to
said
that.
about
200
this
naira,
issue.
don't send more than
What do
200.
you think? What do you
Don't
think?
send more than 200.
Just listen to what
Not
he
do like
said
pastor.
about
The
this
first
issue.
200 people to send
Tell me
200
what you
naira,
think.
your life will be 200 times better. Somebody say amen. Somebody say amen.
This person said
Somebody
about this
say
issue.
amen.
What do you think? What do you think? Just listen
And
to
all my
what he
Muslim
said
brothers,
about this issue.
say
Tell me
Ami.
what you think in the
Say
comment
Ami.
section.
Say Ami.
Right on, Papa.
Thank you, my brother. We expect the apology. Bye bye.